Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how you can prioritize your translation workflows using the Localize Page Manager. The Page Manager lets you set a priority level for each page or folder on your website. This allows your team to prioritize their human translation workflows based on the importance of each page or section of your site. In the list of pages, you can see the progress made on translations for the page, the number of phrases found on the page, and the priority of the page. You can filter the pages list by a particular language using the Languages drop-down to see the translation progress for that specific language. For each page, you can set the priority to one of 5 levels ranging from lowest to highest. If a folder contains subfolders and subpages, you can set the priority for all pages by selecting the Set Priority for All Subpages checkbox. Setting the priority for a page will set the priority for all phrases that were found on that page to the new priority. If a phrase is found on multiple pages, it will be set to the priority from the highest priority page. If you click on a page, you'll be able to view the list of phrases that were found on that page on the Manage Phrases page, or see the phrase in context in the In Context editor. You can view the list of pages using either Nested or List View. The List View shows all of the folders, subfolders, and files as a flat list. The Nested View shows the hierarchy of folders and pages as they map to your site's structure. You can search for a page by entering the page name in the search field. The list will be filtered as you type. You can sort the list in a number of ways, including alphabetically by the page name, by the % complete of human, machine, or untranslated phrases, by the number of phrases per page, and by the page priority. Note that when in Nested View, the sort looks at only the top-level page when sorting. Page rules allow you to tailor the behavior of specific pages to meet your unique translation workflow requirements. Some rules act at the phrase level and some at the page level. The following rules will be applied to all phrases on the selected page: automatically approve phrases, never deprecate phrases, exclude from human translation orders, exclude from being machine translated. The following rules will be applied at the page level: disable phrase detection on the page, disable localize on the page. Once one or more rules have been applied to a page, you will see an indicator in the Rules column. Using the Page Manager to set the translation priorities will enable you to better manage the translation workflows for human translations on your website.